Save WhatsApp images in different folder in Samsung. In this video, today we will see how to save WhatsApp images in a folder or different folder. So now, by default, you will not be able to save WhatsApp images in a different folder, but what you can do is, you can move the images from WhatsApp image folder to different folder. So for that, you have to just go ahead and open up your files here. Go and open up your files or files manager. So once you are on your files manager here, you have to select the option of internal storage. Go and select the option of internal storage here. Once you are here on your internet, once you are here on your internal storage, you have to do is, you will look for the WhatsApp here. Just scroll down and look for the WhatsApp here. So once you have selected the WhatsApp folder here, and after that you have to open up the WhatsApp folder media, and you have to go to the option of images here. So you have to go to the option of images of your WhatsApp. So here you can see that the WhatsApp images has been loading here. Just wait. So once the WhatsApp images has been loaded, so if you want to save these images on the order folder, then first of all I will select these here. Once I have select these, I will go for the more option here. Once you are here, so if you want to select the all images, then you can select here. You can select this option or this option here. Once you have here, go and select the one of the picture, go for the move option, and you have to go for your internet serial storage and go for the one of the folder here and paste that here. So here you can see that you have successfully saved WhatsApp images in the different folder in your Android device. So with the help of this process, you can easily save the WhatsApp images in different folder of your Samsung or your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.